Okie dokie. So, guess where we are. Frame free. Alright. So, come with me, come with me. See my feet? Walk, 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 walk. Come with me, because we can do this for one time. Nope. Hold on. Ah. Are they hating on me with this bumpity bump in the background? So this is essentially, folks, what we are doing. Quick feet, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. Alright. Oh, why we really came in here. Dog food, baby. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Have you guys ever seen this? Don't even be lying. Like, yeah, we seen it. That's cool. Slow feeder dog food. I think that's super cool. Especially if you have a pup or dog or animal, for that matter, that scarfs their stuff down. Yes, ma'am. This is cool. Alright. Let's slow it down, baby. Alright. Let's see. Did I? No, I didn't. Let me... Alright. See that? We gonna recreate some of this stuff, y'all. I'll go very, very slow. I'm also paying attention to the texture. Oh, that's cool. Look, this is like real macaroni. That's cool. Whole wheat macaroni. That's dope. That's awesome. Yeah, man. Swing it low, girl. I'm gonna go real slow over this. Just so I'm not going too fast. DIY. Coming soon. Coming soon. Shaky, shaky. Alright. So. What are some of your favorite dog food brands? Let us know. We've tried. That's cool. Some of this is on sale. Okay. Meow. This is cool. Clearance 108. Let's see. Beef recipe. It's only $1.08. That's pretty cool. I wonder why. It says clearance. Maybe they just want to sell some of it. Maybe that's why, girl. That's pretty cool. It's all natural, baby. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. Cool. Cool. Okay. Cool. We're going to try again with this. I thought, let's see, y'all. Oh, dogs love pumpkin. Love, love, love pumpkin. Oh my goodness, dogs love pumpkin. OMG, they love pumpkin, Mo. What time? Please, somebody like, comment, subscribe. There we have it. There you go. Join the tribe. Come on over here. We're family anyway. Just still subscribe, hit the little bell. You'll be notified every time I post. But this pumpkin, I can show better than I can tell. So give me a hot minute, man. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out the kind of, this isn't grain free though, right? Okay, so we have a little picky eater on our hands, so I'm trying to, hold on y'all, just trying to get something for this little hound of ours. So he's super picky. Maybe not picky, he just knows what he likes. But what's happening is we've tried him on different kinds of dog food. So we've done the wellness brand, grain-free. We've done something over there, grain-free. And so if it's dry, he will eat it, but he's like a toddler. It'll be like, nope, I'll wait you out. And like he won't like eat it unless I'm mixing like some kind of broth in with it. I do make his food from time to time, so sometimes I'll alternate between like making the dog food and then the regular hard dog food, and then back to maybe just the dry dog food. And so the guy here was like, oh, put some broth in it. So he likes that option. But then when you don't want to do that, or when you're not able to for whatever reason, then what happens? Then he just doesn't eat.
Okay.
So does that mean that that's the dog food? He doesn't like the dry dog food and I need to switch it up? Or is that just I need to find what his taste buds are going to like?
Could mean you can switch it up. The broth and like poppers and such, or like gravies, those are more to entice them to food.
Yeah.
So, is he eating the food with the broth?
Yeah.
Or is he going around it and not eating the food?
We have to mix it in really, really good,
Okay.
because he'll just eat the stuff off the top.
Okay, yeah. So maybe it's that.
Really?
Yeah. Just because it sounds like he's just trying to get you to sort of get anything in there with it, but not eat.
Oh, he playing me?
Trying to. That's
Oh.
what it sounds like.
Because he should be able to, and we've got some high quality dog food, so it's
Yeah.
like it's crazy how the more pricier the dog food does not equate to the dog is gonna actually like it.
Exactly. No.
So right now he's got grains and pumpkin puree, so we're mixing that
Okay.
and doing a little bit of that because I think that his belly was upset a little bit. But then he also loves the pumpkin puree, which surprisingly I didn't realize how much dogs love pumpkin.
Yeah, no, it's good for them too.
Yeah, like the fiber in their digestion, so it's got a lot of good benefits, so we are still scooping that in. But yeah, I don't know, we even have this